We are following big developing news here this morning. The U.S. Supreme Court throwing out the death sentence and murder conviction of Oklahoma inmate Richard Glossip. He's on death row for the alleged 1997 murder-for-hire killing of his former boss, Barry Van Treese. Attorney General Gentner Drummond has said he believes Glossip did not get a fair trial, noting many problems in the criminal justice system. This now means that Glossip is entitled to a new trial. Another person who has pointed out flaws in the criminal justice system is State Representative J.J. Humphrey, who called for a study last year to look into this case and other ways to improve the death row process. Representative Humphrey joining us right now live. J.J., thanks for taking some time this morning.
You bet. Very glad to be here.
Yeah, this is a massive decision from the highest court. What is this going to mean for the future of the criminal justice system right here in Oklahoma? I know you've been very focused on it. Why have you been so focused on it, and what does this mean for the future for us here in Oklahoma?
Well, I just think it's a really great day. I think it's a great thing that he got a break in this case and finally got the right decision. But I think for Oklahoma, it means we need to really look at our entire system to see how this case could go through our entire system and not get this verdict that the Supreme Court just handed down.
There were problems with the handling of evidence in this case, a box of evidence that was destroyed, also the timeline of the court proceedings. Richard Glossip first convicted in 1998. He's been tried, retried. He's had several last meals. He's had 9 different execution dates. What needs to change maybe when it comes to evidence, maybe just the timeline of how these things are handled?
Well, in this case, we see that the DAs purposely destroyed evidence. They perjured themselves, they witness tampered. And so again, when we have prosecutors, and this is not the only case this is going on, so we as Oklahomans need to start holding our prosecutors more accountable, and we need to look into the system. How could the appellate court unanimously, with all the evidence that this trial was destroyed, evidence destroyed, withheld, and perjury by the prosecutors and the actions of the abuse of the prosecutors, how did our appellate court unanimously decide that Richard should be executed? So again, there's a lot of problems that I think we should stop and evaluate and assess and go back to trying to correct here in Oklahoma.
So Glossip would be eligible for a new trial. The Oklahoma County District Attorney, Vicki Behenna, has already said the death penalty would be off the table. She previously said that. Do you think he should be tried again? Do you think he's innocent? What do you think should happen next?
Well, I will tell you this, Vicki has been a champion on this case, and so I will always look forward to seeing what she has to say. But again, all the evidence has been tampered. We have the top witness, the person we know murdered, was willing to change it. We have proof that he perjured himself and changed his testimony at the instruction of the prosecutors. We have evidence that's been destroyed that you can never get back. I don't know how they're going to try him. Honestly, I don't think they could convict him if they did try him. I think the wisest choice is to drop the case and let him go free because of the misconduct and abuse of our court system. And again, I've looked at the case. I don't see a case there. So I'm going to be very interested in what Vicki does with that.
Representative Justin Humphrey from District 19, we appreciate you taking some time on such short notice this morning. We'll be keeping in touch.
Thank y'all for running this case. This is a big, big deal. It's awesome for Oklahoma.
Thanks so much, Representative. Appreciate it. All right. New at 11 here, Glossip's attorney, Don Knight, has also commented on this ruling from the Supreme Court, called it a victory for justice and fairness, saying, quote, "We are thankful that a clear majority of the court supports longstanding precedent that prosecutors cannot hide critical evidence from defense lawyers and cannot stand by while their witnesses knowingly lie to the jury." KOCO is in touch with Don Knight. We are planning to speak with Richard Glossip's attorney in an interview at some point today, so we'll have more coverage of it coming up throughout the day. Make sure you download the KOCO 5 mobile news app. Any developments on this big story, this big decision that's come down from the United States Supreme Court on us here in Oklahoma, we'll have more on it throughout the day on our KOCO app.